Welcome to Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Mohale. Today I'm in Kanyamazan Stadium to witness the MFC clash between Kruger United and the Peace. It was a Mpumalanga affair, and a game as just concluded with a scoreline of 2-2. Both sides did not emerge victorious today. Dunham, congratulations, Dunham. Welcome to the Petro Premiership automatic promotion. What's in Dunham? Game we won a giant.
Game you wanna be my team.
Sure.
Be my team just because Kruger.
Sure.
Kruger okay my champion crown niwe but ayizange idle the Peace. The Peace beyishula kude Kruger. Kodwa mina njengoba ngiwala Mpumalanga eLowveld ngijabulile namuhla ukuthi Kruger ingenile ku Betway. Next season ngifisa ngathi the Peace nayo ingangena yasenansi bese kuba ne derby angeke ngikhulume itoba khona derby nyalo iMpumalanga ye TS Galaxy nathi la ekhaya ku Betway but bengifisa ngathi Kruger ingaba khona I mean the Peace ibe khona so that sizo what ukuthi masumele sogcwalisa le stadium lesigcwalisa masogcwalisa imbomela sigcwalisa makumele sogcwalisa imbo ithula mashe stadium sigcwalisa bese kuba iLowveld yonke leyo sigcwalisa le stadium kube mnanzi kube njalo maybe nabafana abala ekhaya la bayobona ukuthi mathuba maningi ukuthi singababukela maybe World Cup or sibabukele emaveni angaphandle basuke la ekhaya ngijabulisa kakhulu lokho I'm happy for that ukuthi bafana abala ekhaya bayobona ukuthi mathuba khona ukuthi iMpumalanga ikhona not iMpumalanga bayithisela phansi
Sure.
mara manje bayobona na ukuthi iMpumalanga isezingele setulu bengikhona lana iKruger ishaya iCape Town City ngikhona yayishaya 2-1 mangibuka ngibona ama player la bewadlala kuma team la besifeva wona mangekho la ekhaya masibukela lawo ma team lawo besifeva lawo ma team lawo kudlala lawo ma player la namuhla so favor ama team la ekhaya adlala nama team lawo aletule Gauteng
Bonga kakhulu Dunham, sikhathi sakho.
Mina mfethu.